Hi, welcome back to Greg's Bass Shed. I hope you had a good week. So in this video we're going to be looking at the bass line for Seven Nation Army. If you need some help with the pick, then look at my first video on this. It shows you how to hold the pick, what picks to use, gives you some exercises to practice. And there's a free PDF for that lesson and this lesson. If you follow the link in the description of either of the videos, it will take you to my page where you just put in your email address and I'll send those to you. So the actual bass line for this wasn't played on a bass. It was played on a semi-acoustic guitar that was put through an effects pedal that lowered it down an octave. But it sounds very similar to a bass played with a pick that was muted as well with your hand. So first of all, you're going to have to mute the strings with this part of your hand, but I've covered that in the first video if you need help on that. And we're going to start on an E, so on the A string, the 7th fret of the A string. Play that with your little finger. And then we're going to go up to the 5th fret of the D string, so that's a G. So play 2 E's. So on the A string 7, another 7, 5 on the D string, back down to 7 on the A string, down to 5 on the A string, down to 3 and 2 on the A string. So you just shift down, so you play the 7 with your little finger, the 5 on the D string with your first finger, back to 7, first finger, and then shift down, second finger, first finger. And in terms of your right hand, if you do 2 down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so it's basically in 3 parts, bass line. So we've got, that's the main riff, and every now and again it changes to a little bit of an extra section. So it starts the same, and this bit here, fret numbers are 3, 5, 3, 1. Do all those alternate picking. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's on the PDF. You can see all the up and down strokes. It might be easier to read that. So that's the second section. And then the third section just is on the G and an A on the E string, so 3rd and 5th fret. So 8 notes on each, 8 eighth notes on each. And you can do alternate picking, so literally down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the section 1. Section 2. Section 3. So you've got all the sections there needed to make up the song. Just have a listen, have a play through with it. It's good practice, this one, for your alternate pickings up and down. Think about keeping it muted as well, so you get that nice sound. So I hope that was useful. And remember, there's the free PDF, so just follow the link in the description. I'll send that to you. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be putting a video up every week. If there's any topics you want covering, just get in touch with me. You can email me at info@gregsspaceshed.com or leave a comment below. Like the video, share with anyone you think might be interested. Okay, I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye.